Hello, I'm Sophia from Coastal Technology. Here I'd like to talk about high voltage COB LED strip. Then let's look at it. This is our COB high voltage LED strip that you can see. The most eye-catching feature of our COB LED strip is dot-free and it's linear LED strip. But you can compare it with the SMD traditional LED strip. COB LED strip is high density and dot-free, and it has smooth and soft light. And our high voltage LED strip is colorful. You can see this is a piece of high voltage LED strip for 50 centimeters. This is our smallest cutting unit. So, and then when we can use this end cap, and you can get the length you want. So how to use it? Okay, when we use the COB high voltage LED strip, we need a plug. You can see this is a plug for the high voltage LED strip, and there is a voltage regulator. You can see. And then we can install this LED strip to the high voltage LED strip, and then you can get a LED strip. Okay, let's see. This is the lighting effect of 3000 Kelvin, warm white. Okay, that's all. If you have any questions or interest, contact us now.